Home automation hubs are the brain of your smart home, serving as central controllers that bring all your devices together. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore three of the most popular home automation platforms: Samsung SmartThings, Home Assistant, and Hubitat Elevation. Each offers unique advantages and trade-offs, and understanding these differences will help you make the right choice for your smart home journey. A home automation hub is a central controller that connects and manages all your smart home devices from one convenient location. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, coordinating different instruments to create harmony. These hubs unify devices from different brands and wireless protocols, allowing them to work together seamlessly. They enable you to create automated routines, provide centralized control through a single interface, and most importantly, allow your devices to communicate with each other regardless of their manufacturer. Samsung SmartThings is one of the most popular consumer-friendly hubs on the market. Its greatest strengths include a highly intuitive mobile app that makes setup a breeze, massive device compatibility with thousands of supported products, and seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. The cloud-based architecture provides convenience and remote access from anywhere. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. SmartThings requires a constant internet connection to function, which raises privacy concerns for some users. Local processing is limited, and certain advanced features require a paid subscription. Your smart home's reliability also depends on Samsung's servers remaining operational. Home Assistant represents the pinnacle of privacy and customization in the smart home world. This completely free and open-source platform puts you in full control of your data with complete local processing. It supports over 2,000 integrations, making it one of the most versatile platforms available. The extensive customization options mean you can tailor every aspect to your exact preferences with no cloud dependency whatsoever. However, this power comes with a steeper learning curve. Home Assistant requires technical knowledge and patience for manual configuration. You are responsible for self-hosting the system, which means maintaining your own hardware and software. The time investment for setup and learning can be significant, but many enthusiasts find the freedom and control well worth the effort. Hubitat Elevation strikes a balance between convenience and local control. This hub excels at lightning-fast local processing, ensuring your automations execute instantly without internet delays. It requires no cloud dependency for core functions, operates on a one-time purchase model with no ongoing subscriptions, and provides exceptional support for Zigbee and Z-Wave protocols. The automation execution is notably reliable and fast. On the downside, the user interface is less polished compared to cloud-based competitors. The integration library is smaller than SmartThings or Home Assistant. There is an upfront hardware cost to consider. The mobile app has limited features compared to competitors, and like Home Assistant, it has a steeper learning curve than purely cloud-based solutions. When choosing a home automation hub, 6 key factors should guide your decision. First, consider the cost, including both initial investment and any ongoing subscription fees. Second, evaluate the setup complexity, including the technical knowledge and time commitment required. Third, examine device support to ensure the hub works with your existing and planned devices. Fourth, privacy is crucial. Decide whether you prefer local processing or are comfortable with cloud-based data handling. Fifth, performance matters, including the speed and reliability of automation execution. Finally, customization determines how much control you have over your smart home's behavior and appearance. Let's compare these 3 hubs directly across key features. For beginner friendliness, SmartThings is the clear winner with its polished interface, while Home Assistant is the most challenging and Hubitat falls in the middle. When it comes to local processing, both Home Assistant and Hubitat excel with full local control, while SmartThings offers only limited local capabilities. Regarding cost, SmartThings and Home Assistant are both free to use, whereas Hubitat requires an upfront hardware purchase. All 3 platforms offer excellent device compatibility, though SmartThings and Home Assistant have slight edges in sheer numbers. For privacy control, Home Assistant and Hubitat provide superior options with complete local processing, while SmartThings offers moderate privacy. Finally, for customization, Home Assistant and Hubitat lead the pack with extensive options, while SmartThings provides moderate customization capabilities. Understanding wireless protocols is essential for building a robust smart home. Zigbee is a low-power wireless mesh network protocol perfect for battery-powered devices like sensors and smart locks. All three hubs support Zigbee natively. Z-Wave offers reliable long-range communication with strong security features, and both Hubitat and SmartThings include built-in Z-Wave support, while Home Assistant requires an additional USB adapter. Wi-Fi provides direct internet connectivity for smart devices without additional hubs and is universally supported across all platforms. Finally, Matter is the exciting new universal standard designed to ensure compatibility across all smart home ecosystems, and all major hubs are increasingly adding Matter support. Choosing the right hub depends on your priorities and technical comfort level. Choose Samsung SmartThings if you want an easy, beginner-friendly setup with excellent device compatibility and don't mind cloud dependency. It is perfect for Samsung ecosystem users who prioritize convenience over customization. Choose Home Assistant if you value privacy, want complete local control, and enjoy tinkering with technology. It is ideal for tech enthusiasts who want unlimited customization and are willing to invest time in learning. Choose Hubitat Elevation if you want reliable local processing with minimal cloud dependency and strong Zigbee and Z-Wave support. It provides a great middle ground for users who want performance without excessive complexity. Regardless of which hub you choose, these tips will help ensure success. First, start small by beginning with just a few devices and expanding gradually as you learn the platform. Second, always check compatibility to verify your existing devices work with your chosen hub before making purchases. Third, join communities, as active forums and user groups provide invaluable support, troubleshooting help, and creative automation ideas. Fourth, plan your network carefully, ensuring strong Wi-Fi coverage and proper mesh network design for reliable automation. Fifth, document everything by keeping detailed notes on device pairings, automations, and configurations for easy troubleshooting. Finally, thoroughly test all automations before relying on them for critical functions like security or safety systems. With patience and planning, any of these hubs can transform your house into an intelligent, responsive smart home.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.